our trip to the Elephant Mountain, and we're gonna do a lot of hiking. People who run the trees over there, exercise there, the only people there. Very cool. So this is the street four-way section here. So this is the MRT station. So we're going to Taipei now from here. And on the MRT now. Yeah, after 20 starts, we're almost there. So we're gonna arrive very soon. Yeah, as you can see, we're at Xi'an Chan Park. And this is the map. So you can see Taipei World Trade Center is there from this park here. Yeah, it's a park here. It's quite big, really big. Oh, I think about this. How much these apartments cost? I don't want to even think about it. Jesus. Someone exercising the old martial art. Yeah, you can see Taipei 101 from here. Temple, I don't know which one, but it's in Taiwan anyway. Oh, it's this one here. The scooter coming. Sorry. Yeah, next time to climb. Yeah. Yeah, this is the steps. If you want to have Stairmaster, you don't need it. This is enough. Oh, come on. Oh my god, keep climbing this. Just keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing. Yeah, keep climbing this. We're going higher now. Yeah. Yeah, another set of stairs. Let's go. Yeah, this is even deeper. Jesus. Yeah, this is my face. I think halfway now. You're gonna see my face off to finish. And I'm finished. It's not finished. Jesus Christ. Sour is touching my ass. Yeah. Take 10 minutes to go down this. And lift up. Taipei. It's right there on that side. Ah, God. Hold on. As you can see, here, a little shade. Jesus. Yeah, that's a wrap about this trail to the Xilan trail. See you in the next one. We're going to Datong there. It's gonna be 28 stops from here, so I'm gonna fly a little drone there and film. So I'll see you later. Now we're at, what's the place called? Tamsui. Something in English. Yeah, so we just finished day dinner. It's lunch. Yeah, lunch. An old place, someone rich. Oh. Oh. I step in before I go in. Old architect. You have even toilet too. Here we go. Yeah, if you ever hear a song playing, that means the trash can is around here. So this is the local market here in the north. Seafood, a lot of things. Oh, it's the praying too. That's a God's birthday today.
It's many sounds.
Yeah. Many sounds here today. This is more like the reception. Yeah, what? Maybe. We're going to a place where you can fly in a drone, so you can see another scenery. It's a little distance to walk. Here we go again, climbing up the hills. Yeah, some scenery. I think I'm gonna cross the bridge later and fly drone there. Should be okay. Oh, it's very nice scenery here. Oh, it's a nice scenery here from the bridge. Maybe, okay, I got you. You check your front, I check there. It's a very nice view overall. Yeah, it's too windy here near the harbor, and there's the only place we can fly, so we couldn't fly the drone. But it's what it is. Not much you can do about it. Coming up to a church now. As you can see, many old pictures of this father here. So the church is here. Yeah, the other side. Wait. So here's the church. Yeah. Yeah, so everything is pointy. You see the glass, church glass. Oof, very warm. Yeah, let's see if we can fly from this place instead. This should be better. Yeah, and that's the drone shot. It's too warm. It's okay. So I'm flying drone now in Tamsui. This place was so much better. There's no strong wind, so and the location is acceptable to fly because Taiwan has a lot of different spots you cannot fly. So this one was perfect. So here's the shots and everything you can see.
Like and subscribe.